Hi y'all, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come on real quick and just show you a little bit of what I've been working on. I love nature journals, anything nature, so I thought I'd put together a few packages for my shop. So I thought I'd give you a look at what I have. I've got 4 sets. They'll be going in the shop soon. And each one gets this package and an envelope full of goodies. I'm just going to go through one of them, but I'll show you the packs real quick. I don't have enough room to put them all here. So like I said, each one has the envelope inside. Here's some of the goodies from the back. And this one, like I said, I do have 4 of them. Thought they'd be really fun, so I just put some together for us. So here's the one we'll go through. Got this envelope with all sorts of goodies in it. Let me move this. It's just a pretty little envelope made from a nature book. And inside we just have some pages from a nature book. Got a few more here, a couple butterfly pages. Got a fabric ribbon. Thought that would be fun to work with. And I've got some nature fabric here. Thought that would be really pretty to have in. Like some pockets or put them on a tag. And then we've just got some little cutouts, of course. Some butterflies and flowers and scallops. And we've got a little baggie, if I can get it open. It's just got a few stickers in it. Thought those would be, if I can't even grab them, my goodness. Anyway, a few of those, and then a couple of these kind of stickers I thought were really pretty. And then a couple of journal cards. These are nice and heavy cards. They've been inked. Thought that would be fun to work with. Flower. So let's just put those aside and get into this. I think that's so pretty. Let me slide all of this out if I can. Show you what we have. Okay. So we've just got several pages. Thought these would be really fun to work with. Put them in a journal or cut them apart. Make some tags. Aren't they pretty? And we've got a couple of pages. This is, what was the name of that book? Grandma's Tips? Something like that. It's got all kind of, old-fashioned type tips for the garden. Really cute things in that. And then we've got this. All of these are out of different nature books. I thought they would be a lot of fun to play with. Each set's a little bit different. It has the same exact type things, but obviously different pages. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I thought these would be great to work with. I sometimes make tags out of these, which come out really nice. And then you've got all of these. You can make tags or journal cards. Another real pretty one. like I say, they're all a little bit different. And then I went on and did a couple of pages out of my digital kit. This is hydrangeas and butterflies. I might enjoy that. And this is another page from that kit. I love these colors. There are a lot of pieces here to work with. And these kits will be in the shop shortly if they're not already. Love that wheel. Aren't these pretty? Then I've got a sheet of wallpaper in each one. All the wallpaper's a little bit different, but it's all nature themed. And we've got these little book pages I thought were really cute. These pretty birds. This is a bird cutout. Just fussy cut some of these out for you. And then we've got this little bag full of more little goodies, if I can find the opening. Here we go. Just fussy cut a few things like that. You've got all kind of little things to work with, to save for other projects. I thought these were all real cute. So if you like nature, I think you're gonna like this kit. Made one for myself that I'm keeping too. So yeah, that's the kit. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you'll stop in and say hi. Bye-bye.